Cheers. Let's do this. Melski, welcome to our trial video of a blind tasting that we decided to temporarily call Blind Bites.
Hello.
Welcome to Buzz Bites. Is that what we're calling this? Or Blind Bites?
Buzz is Blind Bites.
No. Blind Bites. I mean, like, I know you want to be...
Star attraction.
Yes. Blind Bites or Buzz Bites?
Big bites. What about Muzz Bites?
No, because that's... Why Muzz?
Because they smell and buzz. But it's like Muzz. We should call it Fox Blind Bites because we can take this everywhere.
Oh my god, yes. The Blind Fox Bites. Fox Bites.
Foxy Bites.
If you have a good idea for what we should call this little series of blind tasting, like blindfolded food tasting, write it in the comments. Whoever wears the blindfold mask needs to guess what they are eating.
Yeah. Today,
Andrew, because he is the self-proclaimed chocoholic.
I don't like cricket. No, I like chocolate.
We shall test his chocolate commitment.
I love a good chocky.
I have bought different chocolates. Like some chocolates have flavor.
Oh, so it's all chocolate?
All just different chocolates.
I gotta guess which one it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you get 1 point for guessing the type of chocolate, where it's like dark chocolate, milk chocolate, or white chocolate. Another point for guessing the right flavor. You get a bonus point if you manage to guess the brand. Okay, put this on, please.
What, right now?
Yeah.
Now.
You can't see the chocolates. Are you blind? Can you see anything?
I can see a little bit. Okay, put it down. Alright,
Yeah?
I can't see anything.
Okay.
My ear. Gee, it's tight.
Good.
I can't see anything.
That's good. You're allowed to obviously sniff it. This is your spoon.
I don't eat chocolate with a spoon.
Some chocolates have shapes or a surface or texture that will give away what sort of chocolate it is. So I have chopped all of them up in tiny pieces and put them in small containers so that it will be harder for you to guess by that. That is why he's going to eat it with a spoon.
That's making it like half the size. I like my chocolate big.
I'm sorry.
I told you this already, I don't like small chocolate.
It's okay, we're not going to have any chocolate tasting now. Cancelling this.
No, come back.
Alright, you can choose one number from 1 to 8 as your first chocky.
8.
You can put it in your hand.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, use the spoon. Don't have me feed you. Okay, he's going for the sniff.
Okay, hang on.
Is it a familiar sniff?
It's hazelnut. It's like Ferrero Rocher. It's not Ferrero. Like, not Ferrero Kinder. Like, the same.
He hasn't even tried the chocolate yet. You have nothing on the spoon.
Ninja. This is Kinder. Yeah, Kinder.
Okay, so
I have some like...
here's your wine. If you need to wash your palate. This might become a little bit tricky because I'm tricking him to washing his palate with wine, which might alter his taste buds a little bit. But I'm sure that's going to be fine.
Okay, where do I put this? Can you...
Okay.
Okay, that was Kinder.
Okay, here's the spoon. Number 1 to 7. Choose.
4.
There you go.
Whoa, that's strong. What's that? Cheese?
To be honest, I didn't count on you sniffing the chocolate when I cut this up, damn it.
This is the same one.
It is not the same one. So what is this?
It's got like a, it's a hazelnut. It's got gooey stuff in it. Not gooey stuff, but like, it's Cadbury. It's not Lindt.
So are you guessing Cadbury then? I'm doing notes here, that's why I'm asking, so...
But it's a hazelnut. It's got something, I can't remember the name of it. It's like gel, but it's not gel.
It's gel, but it's not gel. That's not really giving me a flavour or a colour or anything.
Hazelnut.
Here you go, here's your number 1.
Like fruit.
It smells like fruit.
I allowed to touch it?
No, that's why you have the spoon.
What's it
Don't
rough?
touch it!
It's rough! Oh, it's very coconutty.
Saying coconut?
Coconut rough, yeah. Are these all gluten free, by the way?
All of these are gluten free. I'm not trying to kill you,
You're
honey.
trying to kill me. I'd say Nestle's coconut. Numero 5.
5. Here's your number 5, and here's your spoon in it. There you go. What's your thoughts? What's your initial thoughts?
I've smelled this before. This is dark. Caramel. Dark caramel.
Dark caramel is your guess for number 5.
Give me 6.
Here is your 6. Flavor number 6.
It smells like the same as number 8 and 4.
There's chocolate on the box.
It's crunchy.
Okay.
Hang on, I'm working.
Oh, okay.
It's crunchy. And there's some more. I like this cone. I thought it's the same as I've already had.
He says and puts a whole spoon into his mouth. No, you haven't yet tried this one.
I'm gonna say caramel again.
You're saying caramel. Here's your wine.
Like a burnt caramel. Like a sea salt caramel.
I'm gonna give you number 7.
No, 7. Oh, this is Jaffa. Oh, it's a snack. It's a snack.
It's a snack.
It smells like, you know, when you have snacks. Well, in snack, there's multiple flavours.
Oh, okay.
Like it's why it's called snack. Have you never had a snack?
I've never had a snack chocolate.
Stop it.
What is a snack? Is like something you munch on.
No, it's called snack. It's got different. It's like
I've never heard.
liqueur flavours, not liqueur flavours, but like mandarin, pineapple. This is like a pineapple one. It's equivalent to.
Now.
Are you eating some too?
I just licked your spoon. Here, wash it down with some wine for the next flavor. Number 2.
Is this the last one?
No, there's 2 more. This one
Oh,
is.
excuse me. This is white chocolate, is it? Oh. I like this one.
You like this one? You like drinking it?
It's very crunchy.
Go on. You're not giving me any flavors or chocolate types. What is this? It's not easy to be blind.
I'm not talking because I'm trying to really think hard. I don't know. I like it though. It's very moreish, crispy.
It's
I'm just gonna say crispy. Something crispy.
Enough of number 2. And now the last one.
Oh, already?
Yes, the last one. Here you go.
Oh, this smells like number 8 and 4. Did you get all the same? Did you get 2 boxes of chocolate and just break them up?
Maybe I have tricked you and have 2 of the same somewhere. Who knows? Because that would be very cheeky.
This is just plain dairy milk chocolate. It's not Cadbury, is it?
You may take off your blindfold.
Oh my god.
These are the Chockies that you tried.
Oh. I did not taste. Did I taste the white one?
Yes, you did.
This is plain. No, that one's plain. That's Kinder, definitely.
So that was your first try, and
Yeah.
you guessed right. That's the Kinder.
Mm-hmm.
Like the first guess, boom, you got it.
I did not taste that as white.
No, that's the coconut one.
Well,
You're right there.
and then this one here.
That's the one that you ate almost all of it.
And which one was that? Because I like that one.
You said you described it as moreish and crispy. That's all you gave me.
Moreish and crispy.
Hey, darling. And the answers.
Freddo Rice Crisp. Oh, that's the one I like the most. Freddo.
Yeah. It says Marabou. This is a Swedish chocolate, but it is indeed just a plain classic dairy milk chocolate.
Ah, so I got
But a
that.
Swedish one.
Okay, so I got the taste, but I didn't get the brand. For pistachio lint. And I did. What did I say for that?
Darling, you said hazelnut Cadbury.
Pistachio and hazelnut.
No,
It's similar.
no, they don't taste the same.
This is dark roasted hazelnut.
You said dark caramel.
Oh, I said darker.
Yeah. This is the Swedish dime chocolate.
Ah. Did you go to IKEA?
Yeah.
You went to IKEA?
Yeah. It's tropical pineapple.
I said pineapple.
Yes, but you said snack.
I'm going to get right, basically. So I'd say...
We got 4 completely wrong.
What?
You
So
got
I didn't expect you to go to IKEA.
plot twist!
I was thinking IGA.
Moorish crispy.
I said crispy.
Okay, you get 1 there.
Yes.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 out of 8. That is pretty good. That's like 80%.
All in all, the one that I expected you to know, you didn't guess at all.
The dime.
Yeah. The reason why we're doing this little random chocolate blind
Is because I love
tasting,
chocolate.
he loves chocolate, but also we sort of wanted to just try out the concept, because when we go to England and Poland and Sweden and
Bangkok.
Thailand, yeah, to Bangkok, we sort of want to try foods from the countries that we go, and we want to do a little bit of a blind tasting. So this was a little bit of an introduction to that. If you have any suggestions of things that we should try for this blind tasting of foods, leave it in the comments, and ignore the fact that I can't speak English.
The comments.
In the comments.
Well, what's-
Skriv en kommentar. Napiszcie w komentarzach.
See. Write it in the comments.
Yeah, that's it.
That was fun.
That was fun.
And now I've got. Is there a rest like in the kitchen to eat?
Yes, the rest is in the kitchen to eat.
Yes. This is the best game ever. I feel that I did a really good job.
You did amazing.
Considering like I was the first like guinea pig as well. But this
Right.
thing here is makes you go to sleep actually. At one point I zoned out. This is my least favourite. The coconut.
Really?
No. So you can have
So
that. Oh babe. Oh.